Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your Excel supports Copilot and you are signed into Microsoft 365. Open the workbook you want to analyze and keep headers concise. This helps Copilot map columns. Then enable the Copilot pane and accept permissions so it can read the sheet. Once done, select the data range, do not include totals yet, and open the Copilot prompt. This lets you issue your first commands, so type a clear goal like summarize sales by region and press enter. You now build the analysis. Ask Copilot to create a pivot table, write formulas, or produce charts from the range you selected. When the first result appears, refine it, say exclude refunds or group by month, so Copilot adjusts calculations. Make sure to request explicit formulas if you need reproducibility and copy them into cells. Once you see results, validate by spot-checking 3 to 5 sample rows and verifying totals against raw data. This confirms the automated steps worked as intended. You finish by locking key formulas and documenting what Copilot changed so others can follow your steps. Export the final workbook or create a PDF report and make sure headers and formats stay intact. If outputs are wrong, rerun the prompt with explicit filters or paste 2 to 4 sample rows showing the issue. Copilot learns from examples. Also, verify permissions, data types, and header consistency. Most errors stem from mismatched types or missing headers, so correct those and try.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.